Hello guys, here's Adam from ESA. Welcome to Guangzhou Jieyanhui Cosmetic Corporation. Our company is the leading manufacturer and trader in this industry, which is strictly in terms of cosmetic for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. Today, it's my great honor to be here to make a tour guide about our company. So without further ado, let's get started.
Our company is an OEM/ODM generation processing comprehensive enterprise specializing in high-tech cosmetics research and development, production, sales, service, and functional raw material supply. Our factory, Guangzhou Jieyanhui Cosmetics Limited Corporation, was established in March 2015. It covers an area of 3,016 square meters. It has a 100,000 level GMPC dust-free production workshop. The production workshop environment is fully constructed in accordance with the conditions required for GMPC certification and passed the one-time certification, ISO 22716 quality certification, and GMPC certification.
Here is our laboratory. Our professional cosmetics research and development team can develop various products according to different needs of customers.
The products we develop not only cover daily care series and beauty repair, but also expand to body beauty and makeup series. We have launched thousands of excellent products and spare no effort to create the ultimate, effective, and diverse skin beauty experience for everyone who cares about health.
The factory currently has a number of modern production lines, multiple sets and sets of international and domestic advanced investigation, automatic filling, sterilization, inspection, and testing equipment, and has the production conditions and capabilities of various creams, cleansing, beauty, and cosmetic products.
The production capacity can reach tens of millions of pieces. At the same time, the factory can not only produce cosmetics of various shapes, specifications, and varieties, but also realize the testing of all routine inspection items of cosmetics, so as to ensure the safe use of the company's products in the hands of customers in an all-round way, so that consumers can rest assured to consume. Since its establishment, we have been adhering to the business philosophy of people-oriented, business excellence, quality success, and sincere service, with product quality as the lifeline of enterprise development, market-oriented consumption, and reputation as the foundation of enterprise survival. Now, the company has a stable and mature global market and a large number of loyal domestic and foreign consumers. We advocate everyone is a quality inspector to ensure a high standard pass rate for each product. The company will take quality as the foundation and technology as the core to serve every customer well.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.